This is Alex at Accessories International, and today we have a 2019 BMW X3 G01. We're going to be replacing the original display screen and putting in our brand new DMP Android command screen that comes with all the latest features. We're keeping you up to date with the latest files. You have wireless CarPlay, the ability to watch movies, and the best part is all of the original functions of the car that you're normally used to using will still be retained. All your original volume controls, your command knob, the rear view cameras, everything will still be intact. We're going to show you how to take out the original screen and put in the new DMP car design screen. If you're interested in these units, we carry them at accessoryinternational.com, and we do offer local installations. Make sure to give us a call for any questions, 786-242-5400. Let's get to it. To begin the installation, we'll start by removing the AC panel by applying a little bit of outwards pressure. You can use pry tools if necessary. Then remove the electrical connections from the back. Once you have this panel opened up, you can go ahead and grab your pry tools and pry from the bottom of the BMW radio in order to release the clips. You can see here on the back side of the panel, the clips are grabbed on in an upward position, so you must come from the bottom of the screen to release it. Then remove the electrical connectors. From here, you can move on to the screen and start to remove the two retaining screws on the bottom. You can now remove the two retaining screws from the BMW radio. With the screws removed from the screen, you can now pull it out of place and begin to remove the electrical connections from the back. We like to set towels down when doing these steps in order to prevent any of the BMW equipment from being scratched. With the BMW radio, you can now remove the main harness. With the main harness removed, you'll see this green wire. This is the fiber cable that controls all of the sound that comes from the original radio. Make sure to remove it and save it, as it will be transferred to the new harness. With the new Android harness, you can connect it to the back of the BMW, and then the opposite end of the Android harness, plug it into the original BMW harness. Once these connections are made, grab your green fiber cable and plug it into the same corner slot of the new Android harness, similar to how it was on the original harness. Now locate your audio out cable and plug it into this USB to aux adapter box that comes included in your kit. The USB end of that adapter box will plug into the USB input in your center console storage box. Now begin to connect the Android screen. Plug in the power cable, the LVDS cable, and any necessary connections, including your 4G cables or your GPS antennas. Those are optional, but they may be used depending on if you're planning on putting a SIM card in or using the Android navigation built into the screen. That is up to you. With the screen connected, test all of your basic functions to make sure they're working. This includes your original BMW screen. Make sure it displays properly. Make sure all of your original BMW functions are working, including your rear view camera, steering wheel controls, command knob, and more. And make sure that you're getting sound both out of the BMW radio and the Android screen together. Once you've determined that everything is properly working, we recommend that you run the connections as sleekly as possible underneath the center console areas so that the wires are not visible once everything is reinstalled. You can now enjoy your new DMP BMW screen. Enjoy all of the functions, including your wireless CarPlay, ability to watch movies, stream, and more. If you have any questions for us at Accessories International, call us at 786-242-5400. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.